President jongka United States Donald Trump ulakam bakabor shipai jongka Iran kala shah pynjulor jur hakani ka jingya kan at kabadang ya chakman. Haka jingpen bana utram uloong ba ki shipai duriao bat kilat penyadai jongka Iran kila shah pynjulor bat bon na kinong yalam jongki kila shah pendu no. Ulakam shishu ba ka Air Force jongkari kila shah pendu lut Henry hadu menta ompat don jingpen shisha ka baskham halor kani ka kam.
Is gone, their communications are gone, their leaders are gone, 2 sets of their leaders are gone, they're down to their 3rd set. Their air force is wiped out entirely. Think of it, they have 32 ships, all 32 are at the bottom of the ocean. Other than that, they're doing very well, Coach, very well. We're doing, our military is doing phenomenally. That's the big thing for this week. We seem to have a new thing every week, but the situation with a very bad and very sick group of leaders who were killing a lot of people. A lot of our people were being killed. They were being maimed. They were being destroyed with their bombs all over the place, planted in roads, and we call them the roadside bombs, walking around without legs, without arms.